comes in from Italy, and then we layer flavors directly on top of it. We grow all of our own vinegar from scratch, which is to say that we ferment it and we create it ourselves. We make our own line of sauces, and we import the pasta. What people are trying to do on this side is find their favorite oil, find their favorite vinegar, and then we blend them at the bar so that we can kind of create a custom vinaigrette or a custom marinade for the customer. On that side, it's sweet. We raise our own honeybees, we make our own honey. We move the bees from farm to farm. They're in the garlic field, they're making garlic honey.